Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have an exciting crafty haul to share with you guys. Craft Stash from the UK was kind enough to reach out and offer to send me some goodies from the Sassy Crafting line by Emma Jewel. And I am so happy to share it with you guys. They sent me their Trick or Treat line and the Let It Grow, which is kind of more of a cactus and plant-based collection, which is super cute and fun for summer and spring. But let me show you guys everything that's in the collection, because I do have a giveaway coming soon. One of you lucky winners are going to be able to win the Trick or Treat line, so get excited for that. I'm going to have all the links down below for everything you need to know, each product, the site, everything. So definitely check that out, and let's get on with the goodies to show you guys what they sent me. So this is the Ephemera pack, and it's Sassy Crafting by Emma Jewel. And those are the pieces. So we're gonna open it up and check out these little pieces. So we have like a little jewel there. We have the little thing from the Ouija board, a little skull head, another skull head. We have this little piece right here with like the stars and the moon. The vampire lips, another one of the little Ouija board. We have like a poison bottle, another skull head, another poison bottle, another little mini skull head. We have a spider, a creepy hand, a butterfly, another one of the stars and the moon. So some of them are like repetitive, so that's good. You can have like two pieces instead of just like one, and then you don't have any more. So we have another butterfly. We have a coffin, another spider, another one of the coffins, and the vampire lips. So those are the little ephemera pieces that come in the pack. There are, does it say how many pieces? 22 pieces, 11 designs. So you do get multiples. Then we have the little stamp set, which looks like this. I love this. I think it's so cute, and it's every single piece of the ephemera in a stamp form. I love that love at first bite. Then we have some dies, of course, that go accordingly with the stamps, like you guys. So you have the poison bottle, and I think, I'm not sure, let me see. So I think it's the poison bottle, the lips, the skull head, and I don't know if this is, I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, that's to put the phrases in there. So you have a little label, and you got the lips, and then you have the poison bottle and the skull head. So these dies go with the outline of the stamps. And then we have this die set right here, the cute skull and bones, the spider, and the bat. So that's what those look like. And then we have the paper pack, which looks like this. And let's take them out. I think you get 2 sheets of each. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, I think you get 2 sheets of each. I'm not sure if they're double-sided. Yes, they are. Move this aside. So you have like bats on one side, and then the coffin and roses on the other. You have the vampire lips and the skull heads. This is very different because it's red and pink, and you don't really see that often. This one's cute. It's like doodled on. And you got the poison bottles. This would be like the cut apart page. So it would be double-sided. So if you cut that to keep it real, on the opposite side, you have something else. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, you get 2 sheets of each, you guys. And that is the Trick or Treat line. So we get the dies, the stamps, and the ephemera pieces. And then they have this other collection, which is called Let It Grow. And the papers on these are like this. We're gonna go through them as well, and these are definitely perfect for summer, spring. You guys know how popular cactuses are. These are the cutter parts. I love the colors. So we have that. So those are the cutter part sheets. Then we have this one. This is so pretty, like even to wrap up a gift. Isn't that nice? The quality of the paper is more like, I would say a little like construction paper or wrapping paper. So it's not like super sturdy, but it's good for, you can back it up with some like cardstock or chipboard to make it more sturdy. This one's very tropical. I like this pattern with the banana leaves. And then I love this, you guys. This is like a beautiful wrapping paper. So cute. And yeah, those are the papers on that collection, you guys. And then they also sent me the stamp set, which looks like this. You get a bunch of cactuses. I love these. These are called like, I think I can't remember the name of it, but those are so cute. And then we got the little leaves. Is it terraniums? I think it's something like that, terraniums. And then we have the little dies to kind of match it. It tells you which ones you can match up with the dies. I think this one is for this one. And then that one is for this one. And then this one is for the bowl, like the little fish bowl. And then they also sent me some washi, which looks like this. So yeah, you guys, those are the crafty goodies that Craft Stash sent over. Thank you so much, Craft Stash, for sending me some goodies to play with. And you guys, stay tuned for the giveaway. I'm going to have it posted on my Instagram. My link will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.